Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. All of you take out your English creative writing copies. And before taking them out, everyone open your cameras. All of you just open your cameras. Let's begin the class.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have drawn my SST diagram.
Very nice. Very good. Everyone has completed the SST work.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this class is Hindi creative writing.
Hindi creative. My God, who is asking this question? Do I take Hindi creative? This is your English creative.
Ma'am, please read my diagram. Ma'am, I have not
Very
done
nice.
the word.
Stuti, wonderful work. Wonderful. Anmol, why are you not attending my classes? Huh? Are you fine now? You were unwell, I got to know. Are you fine now? Anmol Singh, can you hear me better?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, are you fine? Is your health fine now?
Ma'am, now better.
Now it's better. Very nice. Very good. And you're not able to wake up in the morning? I never see you in my classes now. Tell me, it's too early. You're unable to wake up. Amol is not replying. Amol, you're angry today. Are you angry with someone? No? Then why are you not speaking?
Ma'am, I have also done my diagram and outlined it.
Very nice. Very good. Now, children, see. What we'll do, everybody is ready with their English creative writing copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today's topic.
Today's topic is we are going to do character profiles. Now, what is character profile? What is character profile? Can anybody tell me? If I tell you to write the character profile of any person, how are you going to write it? Character profile is that you have to tell everything about a person, everything about any character. It could be like, suppose, yes, is anybody saying anything?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell, of course, tell.
Ma'am, how he likes, how he look like, and then what he likes to eat and what he likes to play, etc.
Yes, very nice. Have you done this topic before?
Ma'am,
Yes.
made English. Ma'am, I have not made English creative writing notebook.
Better than make. We have done so much in English creative writing. Mishti, there is so much that has been done in English creative beta, letter writing, passage, and what else has been done, children? Character profile, character development. Yes.
Live.
I make. Ma'am, I not done English creative writing work.
You have not done English creative writing work. Who has not done?
Ma'am, Dhruv Singh.
Beta, you have not done, then you have to do. I will not open my camera today because there is a lot of network issue today. Okay.
Ma'am,
Listen
I
to
am
me.
not doing English creative work.
You have not done. I am not doing me. I have not done.
Ma'am, what should I do?
Now listen to me. First of all, everyone mute yourself. All of you just mute yourself. What we will do today is you have to do character writing of someone. We will make character profile of a person. Now that person can be your mother, your father, your relative, your cousin, your friend, anyone. How you are going to write about that person? First of all, you will name that person. Then you will tell about his age, who that person is. Is he your father? Is she your mother? Then the age of that person. Then what you're going to do? After the age, how that person looks like. How that person looks. Then what she or he likes to wear. Then in is he tall? Is he short? See, I'm writing all the points in the chat box. Okay, first listen to me very carefully. We are going to do it in a very organized manner. When we write about someone's character profile, we explain, we describe everything about the physical appearance of that person, how that person looks. Is he fat? Is he thin? Is he fair? Is he dark? Is he handsome? Is he not very handsome? Then what he likes to wear, is he tall, is he short, all that in the physical appearance, all that comes. So suppose, let me, everybody please see in the chat. Now this chat box is not working. Children, are you also facing in your Zoom any problem?
डांट रही हैं अगर कैमरा ऑफ किया तो
Yes.
What is heading?
Character profile. The heading is character profile. Now the spelling of character is wrong, children. Just wait. CHARACTER. Character profile. Okay. The heading is character profile. Everybody just write down the heading, put today's date, and write down the heading as character profile.
Mama, you have to write
Yes.
profile. We have to write.
First, you have to give the heading. Now, suppose, let's say you are writing about your father. Okay. Suppose you're writing about your father. You will name your father. The first thing is you will tell the name of your father. Then you will tell the age of that person. Okay. Then how he appears, the appearance of that person. Appearance. How he looks. What is the physical appearance of that person? Now, what does physical appearance
And
mean?
what we have to write in physical appearance?
That's what I'm telling. Suppose if I will explain you the physical appearance of Sarthak Agarwal. Okay? Sarthak, open your camera, beta. Let's take Sarthak Agarwal as our example.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. Till then, let's take Zoya. Now, Zoya is in the center of the screen. Now, we are talking about the physical appearance of Zoya. Now, how are you going to explain? How are you going to describe Zoya's appearance? How she looks? She looks beautiful. She is a middle-heighted girl. She is not very tall. She is not very short. Okay, she has average height. Then she's got black hair. She's got a fair complexion. Then what else can you describe in her physical appearance? Tell me, any other point can you give? She is pretty. We can write she is pretty. Then anything else, children, you can include? This all comes in physical appearance. And then we can say that she's thin, she is not fat, right? If she would have been fat, we would have written she is little fattish. But whosoever you are describing, you can describe about the height, you can describe about how fat or how thin she is, or sometimes someone has a very strong build, like he's got good muscles, he's got good body, he's got good something. You can describe that. You can give whatever physical appearance a person has. Suppose if I would have spoken for Sarthak, I would have said that he wears spectacles. Okay, what he does, he wears spectacles, isn't it? Yes.
We are saying also this photo.
What Stuti? Anything else you want to ask? Then after the physical appearance, what comes is the profession of that person.
Ma'am, I not done English creative writing work.
Beta, very nice if you have not done. Now, why haven't you done? Who will make you do that? I will come to your home and make you do the work. Tell me.
Because my face is not submitted.
Yes.
Because my face is not submitted.
Now, beta, you'll have to take the work from somewhere and do. Okay. Now we have come to the profession of that person. What that person does. If your father, suppose we are explaining, we are describing your father. If your father is a businessman or he works somewhere, he does some job, or what job he is into, you will tell that. Okay, then in the end, you can tell about. Mute yourself, Dhruv.
मैंने बोला अभी.
Dhruv is not there. My God, how do these students do?
Ma'am, someone mic is on.
I know, Kanishka. Now, beta, you mute yourself. Then after profession, what are you going to do? What did I say? What was the last point I explained? Yes, Tuti, tell.
Now we have to write also pictures.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is appearance?
Appearance. Appearance means beta how someone appears, how he looks. Okay, about when you look at a person, how he looks. He's tall, he's short, he's fat, he's thin, he's fair complexioned, he's dark complexioned, or he's whitish complexioned. Anything, how a person looks. How are you going to describe somebody by his or her appearance? Then after profession, you can tell about the nature of that person. What kind of Mishti, be quiet. What kind of a nature that person has. Okay? You can tell about anyone's nature, how he is, how he's a helping kind of a person, he's a kind person. Sometimes a person is not very kind. Sometimes a person is very kind. So you can tell about his nature also. He has a very good nature. He's always happy, like that. Then after that, what are you going to write? Tell me. Anyone can tell me anything? Yes. Any other thing that you can tell about a person? Tell me. Yes. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, his favorite color.
Beta, one by one. I have just told one person to speak. Yes. Okay, done.
Ma'am, can I Kanishka?
Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am, his habit.
Yes, very nice. In after nature, you can talk about that person's habits. Very good. Then after habits, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
his favorite color.
Yes, you can tell about his likes and dislikes. Very nice. What that person likes to eat or what that person dislikes. Likes and dislikes. General likes and dislikes about that person. Very good. Then you can also talk about the personality of that person. Now, what kind of a personality that person has? Is he a very confident type of a person or he is a very shy kind of a person? We have different personality
Ma'am, what
traits.
is a shy?
Shy means someone who keeps hesitating, जो शर्माता है. Okay, there is people have got different nature. Somebody is very outspoken, somebody is very you can say extrovert, he speaks everything on face. Somebody doesn't have the confidence of doing such things. He's an introvert, he's shy, he's timid. Someone is very courageous to take any step, while few people are very timid. They can't just stand up. They are not very confident. So these all things come in the personality traits. Yes, Nandini, what do you want?
Ma'am, his or her occupation.
Yes, you can also talk about bit of that. I have included. I have written profession, occupation is one and the same. What that person does. Yes, Tuti, you want to say something?
Ma'am, we have to write also
You have to write what?
sister.
You can write about your sister, beta. You can write about. You can pick any one person and describe these things about that person. Okay, done. In the end, now what I was telling, after personality, you can tell about how he or she dresses up. That will also come in the physical appearance of that person only, how he or she dresses up. Okay, then in the end, you can just sum up, you can give the conclusion by telling about his personality. Okay, start writing, children, start writing.
And we can also write on our favorite characters.
No,
Ma'am,
beta,
but
don't
what
take
is
any
a
character. Don't include any character. Like the character, are you talking about cartoon character or any superhero kind of a thing? Are you talking about?
Yes, ma'am,
No,
cartoons
beta,
like
no, 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 no. Take a person of your life. You are writing about the character profile of a person of your life. Now choose that person. He could be your grandparent. It could be your grandparents. It could be your parents. It could be your cousins. Anybody.
Excuse me, ma'am. No. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Say.
We can write the gender of the person.
Yes, yes, you have to write the gender of that person.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Children, when you will talk about the appearance of that person, in that point only you will include what kind of clothes that person wears. Suppose you're talking about your mother generally if she wears sari, so you will write she dresses up in a sari. She usually dresses up in a sari, like that. If your mother wears suit at home, she dresses up or she wears salwar kameez. Fine?
I am right.
What? You have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Better send it on the group. I want to see what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of secret?
SECRET.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am sent it. Ma'am, I have also sent Patya.
You people have been so quick in sending it. Just see to it, have you included all these points? Okay, beta, who's Devansh? Character is my father. His name is Amit Kumar. His age 47. Favorite color red. Favorite fruit mango. Beta, you don't like you're not supposed to write like this. Favorite. See, Devansh, just cross it. You have done it so fast. You were actually just wanting to finish the work. Now, when you suppose describe your father or anybody, how you start with a description? How you start with the description? My father, a 47-year-old man, named this and this, looks. This is how you're supposed to, you have to frame sentences on anyone's character. He likes to eat, or he looks like. Don't his favorite food, his age, his favorite color. You're not supposed to write it like this. Okay, my father is a strong man. He is a very tall man, like that. And who else has sent? Oh my God. Now character profile. His name is Kuldeep Rathi. He is my father.
Ma'am, I have written like my character is my father. He is a strong man.
No, beta, don't
He is
write the character is. No. The character is, just cut this line. Erase this line. How we are going
Ma'am,
to
what
write? My father, suppose you're writing on your father. Then my father is a 40-year-old man. Like that. Start like that. My mother is a 35-year-old woman. She is a very pretty lady. And then like that. Her name is so and so. Okay. Then you have to tell about the appearance, how she looks. She is a very beautiful woman. She's got black hair. She's got big eyes. She has a wheatish complexion. She likes to wear saris. She generally dresses up in saris. Okay, make it a good paragraph. Make it very descriptive so that when somebody reads it, he can actually visualize that person. Okay, he starts visualizing. She has got long hair. Her hair is brown in color. She has curly hair. Like that. She is a housewife. Or if she's a teacher, she's a teacher. She works at so and so school. She teaches so and so subject. She teaches so and so class. Like that. Describe completely. Describe the person completely, not in one line. Pratyaksh beta, you understand what I'm saying? How you have written is like you are filling a form. He likes green color. He has good muscles. He is a policeman. His favorite fruit is mango. Are you filling any kind of form? Just cross it and write it in a paragraph.
And ma'am, can I write he is a army person?
Yes, he is an army officer, or whatever. He is an army person. And then you can tell a little about his profession, what he does.
Ma'am, the class is about to over.
Beta, there are 6 minutes. Anyone has got any question in between that, ma'am, what we say this word? Maybe I have not included something, but you want to tell about that person's character. Yes, Rishabh asked.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, what is personality?
Personality is again what kind of a personality. Now, how do I explain personality? How that person is. He's a confident person, he's intelligent. Sometimes a person is not very intelligent, sometimes he's very intelligent, very brainy, very smart. So that these things come under personality. He's a confident person, he's very good at, sometimes a person is very good at Hindi, sometimes he's very good at speaking English. So these all things come under personality. What kind of a personality he has? He's very rowdy, he's very you can say very smart. Sometimes a person is over smart, sometimes he's overconfident, sometimes he's very less confident,
Okay, ma'am.
sometimes a person is very strict. Okay. Yes, Tuti, you want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to say like this
Yes.
also that we have put chashma.
We are.
Ma'am, please tell in chashma in English.
Stuti beta, please say it one more time.
Ma'am, we have to like also this. He put taxes.
Yes, he wears spectacles. He has got specs.
He has got that.
In personality, you can also say that he keeps strict discipline, he maintains decorum of the house, he is a very disciplined person,
Ma'am, what we will write profession?
Beta, profession is what that person does. What does the person do? He's a doctor, he's a teacher, he's an engineer, he works somewhere, he's a
Ma'am, but my
businessman.
sister is go school.
So she's a student.
Ma'am, nature means quality.
Beta, nature is what nature is in Hindi you can say स्वभाव, किस स्वभाव का व्यक्ति है.